Hi parents, students, and teachers. Welcome back to another back to school season. In my family, we're having a lot of fun going to back to school nights. Be sure to meet all your teachers. Across the city, 3 tips for making the best of back to school season. Be sure to go to class. Chronic absenteeism is a big problem in New York City schools. Students are missing more than 20 days per year. It's at peak levels post-pandemic, so be sure to be attending school every day. For all you 8th graders and middle schoolers, the SHSAT will be on November 8th and the registration opens on October 3rd. For all you 7th graders, Cons SHSAT is starting now. Be here for our twice-a-week program. For all your SAT needs, high schoolers, 11th graders, and 10th graders, the October 7th SAT registration deadline, the late registration is September 26th, and the November SAT will be on November 4th. Be sure to be registering. Check out Cons Tutorial for all your needs, and we can't wait to see you and help you with all your academic needs.